Welcome to RenovateWell, where comfort meets energy efficiency. Drafty, outdated windows cost you money and comfort every day. Energy-efficient windows are the solution to keeping your home comfortable year-round. RenovateWell offers professional window installation tailored to your home style. Our premium windows improve insulation, reducing heating and cooling costs. Enjoy noise reduction, enhanced security, and a sleek, modern appearance. Choose from a variety of designs, including double-hung, casement, and picture windows. Our expert team ensures precise installation for maximum efficiency. Save on energy bills while upgrading your home's look and value. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows with RenovateWell. Call us today for your consultation.